How's it going, you guys? What's going on, you guys? Today, I'm gonna be driving my Cadillac CTS-V. And we're gonna be wearing... okay, so, base. You know, it's been a long time, you guys, okay? But I did want to get a little video out. It's just a little CTS-V.
What?
I think I wanted to start doing more, like, vlog-style videos. Because, I mean... just like a car niche is just like, I mean, my car is a piece of crap, so it's like, whatever. But yeah, I bought this little thingy and wanted to test it out for your phone. You know what I'm saying? We got that new iPhone, Jimmy John, but I want to try putting this on. And yeah, it's kind of like, I'm recording! Sorry about that, you guys. It's a dog. Sorry, you got a hoodie. Yeah. Yeah, I didn't really know how to loosen this thing up, so. I guess this is gonna have to work. How's that look? Mm-hmm. You like it? You guys like that? Alright. Rickety.
It's just recording this. You're like driving. Can you see?
Yeah. Well, hey guys, so if we crash... Sorry guys, technical difficulties. I think this is made for like small phones. Hey guys, check out my I think next time we do this, it's probably going to be on a GoPro. I remember right up here where there's a giant bump, and you know, if any of you guys are part of the low life, I wonder if she's out here right now. There was like a karate class right here, and I went like this to hurry up and get over, and this lady literally just looked at me and was like, being a Karen. It's not like I was going like 100 miles an hour. Like, yeah, I think we're gonna stick with the GoPro for these footage shots. Oh, yep. Don't mind that. You guys know about the low life. If you guys are a true subscriber, you would know the cord. We used to scrape on everything. Betsy's belt's squealing. I need to get a new drive belt. She's probably just a little, well, it's cold, number one. Number two, she's a little old, you feel me? So she's probably a little worn down, just like your sister. Yeah, she's a chirping. I also need to get alignment for this thing. Jesus. Traffic. Looking for my chapstick. Getting kind of car sick. There's a Ford Maverick. Yeah, hella cars. And he's like half of a car. That's why I hate people that drive like that. Like, that's why there is traffic. I don't know if you can see it. Shut up, you nerd. Like, in the comments section.
You don't know anything about traffic patterns. I practice and I study traffic patterns. Actually, traffic is if you slow down and go the same speed. Like, shut your dumb ass up. Actually, it's not a Ford Mustang. We have to go rev up next to him because our car has a V8 in it too. Oh shit. Oh god. Oh god, look at this bounce. Oh, we bouncing. Tunnel time. Breaking my drive belt time. Sorry guys, next video we try this. We're gonna, one, not use my phone because look at that. Well, you can't see, but yeah, I'll post a picture of what I looked like. That, and then we're also, oh, you reckless, aren't you? Going on a red light. Next time we're gonna use a GoPro. Next time we're not gonna have a check engine light. It's just a wire issue. It's literally the stupidest thing ever, but I ordered that wire and we're gonna go to, you know what I'm saying, Young T's house. We're gonna go there, get that done, and then I want to raise the car up a little bit, and then we have to roll the fender. There's a lot of stuff with this car. I just overwhelmed. I'm overwhelmed with life right now, you guys. So it's like
taking steps. We got a lot of stuff going on. So you already know we about to get a lot of stuff done with this core. But yeah, I'm just trying to get a little something out. I know this isn't like the best, but I'm working on I'm trying to find a filmer here soon. Hard out here for a pimp. I don't know, the type of content I want to bring, like the vlog style stuff, is just it's not it. So once I find me a filmer, we'll try to knock these things out. I want to get like at least one video a week. So I say that in every video, and we end up, my last little run I did, I was doing all right, but then I think after like 3 videos, we just stopped the cap. So, but yeah, you guys, we about to pull up to the stove. This was a little something, nothing crazy. Once I get everything fixed, we can do like a cool little one of those videos where we drive through the tunnels and stuff, POV style. Go a little quick, go a little fast, you know what I'm saying? I like giraffes, but if you a donkey, you a ass, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so that's the plans for that. Yeah, I don't know how to end this video, you guys. Just keep on loving, keep on subbing. I want to do, like I said, I want this channel to be more like just me, vlog style, especially with upcoming events in life. I think this will be more of like a vlog style channel. Oh my god. Well, I don't stop at stop signs, so they can lick my peen. Jesus, look at all this. Would you look at it? Oh shit. No, we got it right here. Oh my god. Good. Be all good in the hood. But yeah, guys, we about to go get us a Cinnabon. You feel me? Comment down below if you like Cinnabons, and the first person who comments is gonna get you a Cinnabon gift card for $1.59. But yeah, peace out, you guys. I hope you enjoyed a little quick video. I know it ain't nothing special, but yeah. Also, trade up challenge. We about to go hard back on that. You feel me? I still got the 2 little trade up jimmies. Yeah. See, that's why we need the fenders rolled. But yeah, bunch of stuff coming soon. Jeez. God.